Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a question that often pops up when people are looking for a bank. Which country is Regions Bank located? Now, I know this might seem like a simple question, but it's actually a bit more complex than you might think. So, let's dive into it and discover the answer together. Where did Regions Bank start? To understand where Regions Bank is located today, we need to take a look at its history. Regions Bank has a fascinating story that spans over 100 years. It all started in 1971 in Birmingham, Alabama, when a group of bankers founded First Alabama Bankshares. Over the next few decades, First Alabama Bankshares grew and expanded, acquiring other banks and expanding its reach across the southern United States. In 2006, the company changed its name to Regions Financial Corporation, and its banking subsidiary became Regions Bank. So, where is Regions Bank headquarters located? Fast forward to today, and Regions Bank is still headquartered in Birmingham, Alabama. The company's headquarters is located in the Regions Center, a stunning skyscraper that's visible from all over the city. Regions Bank's reach. While Regions Bank is headquartered in Alabama, it's not just a regional bank. The bank has a presence in 15 states across the southern and midwestern United States, including Alabama, Arkansas, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Louisiana, Mississippi, North Carolina, South Carolina, Tennessee. 1. www.departmentest.ttu.edu www.departmentest.ttu.edu Texas, Virginia, West Virginia. Regions Bank has over 1,300 branches and 2,000 ATMs located throughout these states. This gives customers easy access to their banking needs, no matter where they live or work. Regions Bank services. Regions Bank offers a wide range of banking services, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, mortgages, business banking, wealth management, and more. Whether you're a student, a young professional, a homeowner, or a business owner, Regions Bank has a banking solution that's right for you. Regions Bank's commitment to the community. Regions Bank is more than just a bank, it's also a community partner. The bank is committed to giving back to the communities it serves through volunteerism, charitable giving, and other initiatives. So, there you have it. Regions Bank is a major U.S. bank with a long history and a strong presence in the southern and midwestern United States. If you're looking for a bank that offers a wide range of products and services and is committed to giving back to its community, Regions Bank is a great choice. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.